Hello, good day everyone. Firstly, thank you for attending to Team B2 preliminary investigation presentation on Pizza Hut food ordering system development project. My name is Foo Qui and I'm the leader of Team B2 in this project. Before start the presentation, on behalf of my team, really appreciate and thank you for giving us this opportunity to in charge in this system development project. And now, I would like to invite Nabilah to start our presentation today.
Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Nabilah Binti Abdul Jalil from Group B2. Today, I would like to present on our preliminary investigation report. Pizza Hut Incorporation has entrusted rescue IT resources to develop a new food ordering system to replace their manual ordering system. In order to increase the restaurant efficiency, the junior system analyst has come out with an online food ordering system that allows customers to place their order from their own respective seats. The system could be accessed by using the customer's smartphone or tablet by scanning the QR code that are provided on each table. All the available menus along with their pictures are provided in the system. Details on offer and promotion are included in the system as well. After placing their order, the customer will then make payment either by using credit card, debit card, or internet banking. The order will then be synchronized using POS system into POS system machine at the counter. Meanwhile, the kitchen department will receive the order from the kitchen display monitor. Next, I would like to talk about the company profile, which is enhancing on Pizza Hut Incorporation. Pizza Hut is an international American franchise and restaurant chain that is expertise in making pizzas. Pizza Hut has multiple formats for dining, from original dining areas in family style, the front store delivery and transportation sites, and hybrid dining sites. Next is the mission statement and vision statement of Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut mission statement is to take pride in making the perfect pizza while providing courteous, helpful services at all times, striving to have every customer to see that they plan to come back to the restaurant. Meanwhile, the vision statement of Pizza Hut is to reach on the top of the peak to provide the best service and taste and to see yum on the customers' faces. Both of these statements, the vision and mission statement, shows that Pizza Hut always try their best to provide the best service for their customers. Next, we have also done SWOT analysis for Pizza Hut, which comprises of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of Pizza Hut. And for strength, we find that Pizza Hut is a famous franchise restaurant that has many networking and loyal customers. For their weaknesses, we found out that the price range of the food served at Pizza Hut is a bit higher and can't be afforded by some of the communities in Malaysia. Next, Pizza Hut has a lot of opportunities to introduce more variation of pizzas, such as more flavor of pizza and to produce a more healthy pizzas for persons that are aware on their health. The next step is performing investigation. The investigation was done through fact-finding that consists of analyzing the client's organizational chart, observing the current operation, and conducting interviews as well as questionnaires. This fact-finding process is very important for the junior system analysts to come up with the best food ordering system for Pizza Hut as well as meet their requirements. That is all from me. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My name is Christina Won Yuet Yee. Now I would like to present System Request Summary. First, I would like to talk about summary on description for system requests. A system request is received from Pizza Hut in order to propose and develop a new system for food ordering in dining. They hope to gain benefits from new food ordering system. There are some underlying problems in Pizza Hut's manual food ordering system. The first problem is high cost. This is because waiters need to write down the order from customers and pass it to kitchen. Therefore, Pizza Hut incurred high cost to buy papers. Besides that, more waiters are required to take orders from customers, and thus more cost needed in hiring waiters to take orders. The second problem is lack of information. Pizza Hut has many promotions, but their customer didn't get know about this. Thus, most of the customers cannot having the promotions. Moreover, Pizza Hut's customer cannot have the complete picture of the food order. This is because waiters only write down the food order and customer cannot have the complete pictures of their food order. The third problem is issue of payments. Waiters sometimes give incorrect change to their customer because of miscalculation of the change. Furthermore, waiters need to wait for a long time to process different payments. This is because some of the customers like to use cash while some like to use credit or debit cards to make payments. Therefore, waiters cannot have streamlined process where they can proceed their jobs while waiting for customer payment. The next problem is inefficient management. Pizza Hut lack of secure documentation since waiters using papers to take orders. This may cause the loss of document. Besides that, Pizza Hut has incomplete data and information because their data and information are written on papers. They might have information needed, but this may not complete. Pizza Hut also have problem in human error. This is because cookers may misinterpret handwritten orders since the handwriting may not clear. Moreover, waiters or cookers may miss the special requirements made by customers and thus do not fulfill customer requirements. The last problem is time wastage and productivity loss. Waiters need high level of focus and time to take orders from customers. This causes time wastage because waiters cannot do other jobs at the same time. Furthermore, repetitive admin tasks causes loss of productivity of waiters. Next, I would like to present summary on benefits of new system. The first benefit is reducing labor costs. This is because no more extra waiters need to be hired in order to take orders from customers. The second benefit is easier the process of ordering since customers didn't need to wait for waiters to take their orders. Besides that, new system also streamline the day-to-day operations and Pizza Hut become more efficient. The third benefit is improving efficiency of restaurant management. This is because new food ordering system allows restaurants to process a lot of orders at a shorter time. Moreover, managers are able to manage everything smoothly and without wasting time. The last benefit is effective data analytics. This is because Pizza Hut can know the ways they can act in future by understanding the food preference of customer when customer using new system. Besides that, Pizza Hut can always ensure their customer satisfaction. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Christina for her presentation. So, as a customer of Pizza Hut, I very understand and agree what she said just now. I also miss this kind of situation. Like I order orange juice, less ice, but when the drink come up, it's still more ice. I order the spaghetti without garlic. When it come up, garlic was in the food. Maybe I cannot convince everyone with my personal statement, but then I will prove it with the result of fair fighting. Firstly, Team B2 have analyzed company organization chart to understand of the function and identify people to carry out the interview section. After conducted a series of interview with customer service manager and general manager, we find out the restaurant work environment and the level of service certification performed by Pizza Hut are not up to standard. Besides that, the information from a wider audience also be gathered by using Google Form, and in order to analyze the information, the data collected from the survey transfer into bar chart. The feedback from majority of 50 respondents that they are not satisfied with the current food ordering system in Pizza Hut. In addition, most of the respondents are looking forward to a new food ordering system. Therefore, the main justification for having a new food ordering system is to improve customer satisfaction when dining in restaurant, to reduce time wasting on waiting whether to take order, to increase efficiency and accuracy of payment transaction, and to maintain market competitive by adopting technology. Okay, next I will tell about the benefits that we'll gain by having this new food ordering system. The benefit have divided things into tangible benefits and intangible benefits. Firstly, for tangible benefits, Pizza Hut can reduce costs by applying a new food ordering system because there is no need to pay huge paperwork costs, especially for the paper which used in take order, as well as the hiring and training costs of waiters. Second, reduce customer complaints. Customers are allowed to place their orders with special discretion on food and conduct the payment by themselves directly. In this way, there are no waiters will be blamed for any wrong food order. Third, increase self-performance. Customer can look through all the products clearly as it displays picture and price of each item in the electronic menu, and let customer know the current promotion information of the restaurant. Therefore, it can promote customer decide to eat and the more they are likely to order. However, for intangible benefits, this was really save the time because the system able to process more order in a shorter time and manage everything smoothly, continuously without wasting any valuable time. Then it will increase customer satisfaction. It can give customer enough time to select and decide on what meals want to order without being pressured with pressure of the waiters. And the last, it will help improve service level of waiters. Since customers can place their order by themselves, then the waiter can focus more on other duties like serving and cleaning. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I'm Nurwati Amirah Binti Abdul Halim. My metric number is 272586. According to Lau Foo Qui explanation about expected benefit, it is true that this is the outcome that we expected to gain when Pizza Hut applied this new food ordering system. Next, let's continue with feasibility analysis finding. First, operational feasibility. Operational feasibility is determined of efficient the project will support the customer and the service in a proposed system in solve the problem and taking advantage of any opportunity that can help the business successful or useful to the company. In developing a new system in this organization aims to facilitate the implementation of food order so that work become faster and more effective, improving productivity and product quality desired by the organization. Secondly, technical feasibility. Technical feasibility generally refers to the technical resource need to develop, purchase, install or operate a system. Before developing a system, technical feasibility should be done to identify the potential challenge and problem that the system may face based on the requirements and goals. This is very important for the company to assess whether the technical resource meet the capacity and whether the technical team could convert the ideas into a working system. This will also involve the process of evaluating hardware and software requirement for the proposed food ordering system. Next, economic feasibility. Economic feasibility is to measure of the cost effectiveness of a project, which is often called cost-benefit analysis. It also to know whether expected cost saving, increased revenue, increased profit, and reduction in required investment exceed the cost of developing and operating a proper system. For the development of a new food ordering system, it need try to address all the feasibilities analysis phases seriously to prove the company can obtain benefits besides reduce operating costs. Finally, schedule feasibility. Schedule feasibility is defined as the possibility of completion of the project within the planned deadline. In order to control the feasibility of the schedule, it should be calculated and constantly recheck whether the given resources are sufficient to complete all the scope of work within the required time. Schedule feasibility include use of the few techniques such as Gantt chart and PERT chart, as well as critical path method (CPM). Therefore, the speed of the system project development process can be easily and clearly determined.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izzati Binti Tarmizi. Yes, thank you, Nurwati Amirah. I agree all about your explanation because it related with my explanation to cost and duration estimate later. But hold on, let me introduce and explain to you the role of each member in our project development. Firstly, we introduce to you our team leader, Lau Foo Qui, who is in charge lead the development of project like allocating tasks, making decisions, and ensuring the team focus on the project and moving to reach project goals. Secondly, Christina Won has a recorder responsible to record every meeting session, do meeting minutes, and update members who miss the meetings. We also have a curacy course, Nurwati Amirah, who is basically work with the team leader in checking team process in development project. And last but not least, me and Nabilah has a staff member mostly actively contribute in team meeting in order giving idea or planning and must complete project on time. Okay, we move to cost and duration estimate. After we define our project scope and feasibility clearly, we can estimate our duration and cost and propose a system effectively. So, cost management is a process for our cost of our project, and it includes estimating the project cost. So all the costs on our project that we get from a detailed list of all the estimates at a task level, which is we have planning level that we complete right now, and another level analysis level, design level, implementation level, and support and security level. So, in system planning level, we estimate the duration about 16 days to complete it. Then, we take that to development our estimation project. So, we conclude that we estimate our cost, which is the wireless routed Wi-Fi for the management and also customer in total 150 ringgit Malaysia, thermal receive printer and iPad post system machine for the cashier were 70 ringgit and 300 ringgit respectively. Installation of post software estimate around 100 ringgit Malaysia for the system. Waiter tablet for taking order for 3 units of 80 ringgit per unit. Kitchen display monitor at the kitchen. For the staff chef, we estimate about 200 ringgit for one unit. Lastly, 2 units of computer for client management and food menu management for 800 ringgit per unit. In overall, we predict our cost project in total 2,660 ringgit Malaysia. With the expectation time and cost will be used to understand project life cycle and risk management to make the planning strategy for the project successfully.
We drawing to a close for today's presentation. Thanks to my teammate cooperation. Before end of this session, thanks again for your listening to our team presentation. I hope it gives you a clear picture to our system planning. And at last, any improvement or suggestion are greeted. We team B2 always be ready to be improved to be the best. Thank you.